guys, welcome back to the studio. So today we have something special for you. So today here we have a Mercedes 560 SL, and let's get into what we actually did to this car. So here we have a 1986 560 SL. The 560 of this era was only made between 1986 to 1989 and was only available in US, Japan and Australia. It's Mercedes' longest running model. It's the R107 and it ran from 1971 to 1989. In terms of what we did to this vehicle, we obviously did a full decontamination and wash to remove the years of dirt and build-up. We did a full undercarriage and wheel well clean to remove all the years of grime and dirt from the undercarriage and the wheel wells. We also removed the wheels and did a full decontamination and clean on the wheels. We also did a full decontamination clean on the engine bay. Then moving on to the paintwork, we did a full cut and polish paint correction to remove any swirls or any marring that was incurred from washing and anything like that. We then did a full ceramic coating on the paintwork. It was a 10-year coating to aid ease of maintenance. We also did a ceramic coating on the wheels, again to add to ease of maintenance and give them a bit of a stronger luster. In terms of the interior, we did a full clean on the interior and then coated it with a 1-year abrasion resistant coating just to lock in the colours and protect it from any UV resistance.